Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you.
98 in Kerala rain showers in Delhi NCR red alert in Uttarakhand parts of western UP. It seems that the monsoon is not done with India yet. At least 9 people died and over a dozen are missing in the Kerala, where torrential rains triggered flash floods and landslides in many parts of the states. In the north, isolated showers were reported in the parts of Delhi and the national capital region on Sunday. Meanwhile, the weatherman has issued red and orange alerts for parts of Uttarakhand, western Uttar Pradesh, and Punjab amid forecast of heavy rain. In one of the heaviest outpours in recent years, 9 people have died and dozens are feared missing as landslides occurred in the south and central Kerala on Saturday. 3 more bodies were recovered from the Kuttikal and Kottayam district in Sunday morning, taking the death toll to 9. In addition to floods in the hilly areas of Kottayam, Idukki, and Pattanamthitta, officials said the rivers Neenachal and Manimala are overflowing. Several people have been injured and displaced in rain-related incidents, even as dams in many districts neared full capacity. Several towns and villages are in the hilly areas of the state are totally cut off from the outside world. Speeding car rams in the crowd during Durga Idol immersion in Bhopal, child injured. A child has been injured after a car which was tracking backwards rammed into a crowd in Bhopal during the immersion of the Durga Puja. The incident happened on the intervening night of Saturday and Sunday near a railway station at the Bajaria crossing. The incident was captured on camera and it showed a vehicle racing backwards and plugging into the crowd that had gathered for the immersion of the Durga idol. The video crowd The video showed a grey colored vehicle. There are 2 to 3 people inside the car. Police have started an investigation into the matter and are scanning the CCTV footage to identify the number of the vehicle. This comes after a speeding car mowed down the people on their way to immerse a Durga idol in the Pantalgaon in Chhattisgarh Jashpur district on Friday. Virat Kohli on India's 2007 T20 World Cup win. It gave me more belief for performing at highest level. India captain Virat Kohli said that he remembers keenly following the team's successful 2007 T20 World Cup campaign, and it gave him belief that he can play at the highest level at a young age. India, who were playing without senior players of the time like Sachin Tendulkar, Rahul Dravid, Saurav Ganguly, and Anil Kumble, ended up winning the inaugural T20 World Cup under MS Dhoni, who was captaining a team at the international level for the first time in his career. It had a huge impact on my career, Kohli told reporters on Saturday. I would not say that was unexpected, but no one really knew a lot about the T20 format back in the day. After the T20 World Cup win, the emergence of the IPL as something that changed the game completely. The average age of the team was 23 years, and the Dhoni himself has returned 26 only 2 months before the start of the tournament. Kohli said that while the impact of the team's success in the tournament on T20 cricket was fully understood in the latter years, it gave him belief as a young player that he could achieve things at the highest level. It was a remarkable achievement by a young leader leading an even younger team, said Kohli.
জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.